6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Honorable Gidudu Afabi
has
garnered
garnered 514
votes.
Honorable
Penna Busige
has
garnered
garnered 800.
We are for mobilizing for elections for the president. He has loved us so much and we must give back to him.
Why would someone spend 5 billion to come and sit in SEC? What are you looking for in SEC? Because SEC is voluntary, okay? SEC is for mobilization. SEC is for advising the president. So why should it be a matter of life and death for people?
Kyongera okutulaga nti wetunaagenda mu maaso nga tutambulira ku ssente nga pate ekigendererwa ekya demokrasiya kijja kuba kifa era teriiyo ggwanga lisobola kukula nga likulira ku nsimbi okubeera nga ziziyirwa mu kalulu.
Tulonda abantu ab'omuzinzi abalumirwa ekibiina, abantu ab'omugaso, ate abantu abaagaliza ekibiina kyabwe okugenda mu maaso.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.